Hi, I'm Maria Brown. Do you have an ice cream maker? I have got a great recipe. Quick and delicious vanilla ice cream in a snap. Come on, let's get started.
Stay so much more than what I bargained for. Oh, you know it's so good. This tastes more like every day should.
I'm just going to mix 2 cups of heavy cream with 2 cups of half and half, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. That's it. This recipe does not call for eggs, and so we're not cooking it. Okay, we're going to pop this off and put this on in its place. Lower that. Okay, so this little thing slips right on here, depending on which size you have. Mine fits the smaller one. And then raise this up until that matches. Okay, now I'm going to pour the cream right into it, and we're going to turn this on for 20 minutes, and it's going to freeze the cream, and then we're going to put it into a container, freeze it completely, and we're done. Before you pour this in, just give it a good stir to make sure that all of the sugar is dissolved. Now we're going to just pour it right into the ice cream maker. Never go past 3/4 full. We're going to turn this on for 20 minutes on a low. It'll be done. I just have this on the first setting, very low, just on 1. See how that's thickening up? Just be patient. I love roasted peanuts. I'm going to pop these in the oven for a couple of minutes so that when the ice cream is ready, I can mix it right in. It's ready. Okay, where are the kids to lick the spoon? Doesn't that look good? Get all that in there. Now I'm going to mix in the nuts. Of course, if you want chocolate chips or anything you want, go ahead and mix it in right now. And then pour it into your container. Okay, I'm just gonna go and get the rest of that out of there and throw this in the freezer. And we're done. Simple. So I've just put a little plastic wrap right over it just to keep it from getting icy. Just gonna burp the air out. This is going to be delicious. Let's take a look at this. There it is. That took about 30 minutes in the ice cream maker, then overnight in the freezer. So there you go, vanilla ice cream. Put in whatever mixings you want or eat it just plain. It's delicious. Enjoy. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Please be sure to subscribe. Thank you.